Hey guys, this is no longer day 19. I already recorded the last clip for last night. Last year. Fuck. I'm tired. Yesterday. And I'm watching the old stuff on my old channel because, I don't know. I just look at this stuff just to think back to what I used to fucking do. And my god, my voice feels a little higher pitched than the usual right now. But, whatever. Oh, I love this commercial. God damn it. I might just do something with this. I don't, put in, I don't even fucking know right now. Fucking voice in this. Let's see.
No wire.
Jesus. No wire. Oh god. Oh god, my voice is so different. This was... yeah, 2010. But fucking lord, my voice is so weird.
Go to sources. Edit.
I think
Add.
I had fucking braces back then. Yeah, that's why my voice is so weird. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Fuck. And then skip to 3 years later. Why the hell did I make an update video for this? And then
Okay, it's recording. Just let you know.
That was 3 years ago. Oh god. Even 2013 is so different. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do more executive because why not? Yeah, it's been a while since I've done like this. I'm tired of stuff right now. Maybe that's why I'm tired of this. But yeah, whatever. Day 20. I got about a week until my birthday. And the whole thing about it yesterday, by the time my hair finally grows the fuck out, I'll be at... fuck, let me focus a little bit more. Go. I'll be at the hour mark for the 5-hour mix. Yay. So I'm just starting to see my hair in front of my face, fucking finally. I think ever since 2012, I've been swearing a lot in my videos. I don't fucking care, but I'm just sort of realizing that. And I think on my old videos I used to censor them for some weird reason. I don't know why. But, yeah. Actually, my voice is starting to sound a little deeper now. I'm sort of realizing that now. Oh, hi Dashi. Fuck, I forgot about that. 2 years ago. Oh, well, I still love this moment.
Finally.
I don't even know that fucking song. I heard it, I think, in Walmart or something the other day. I was like, hey, that reminds me of this. Vlogs. Oh, I remember that. How many vlogs did I get to anyway? Like, day 98. Fuck. I need to log into this account again. 28. No, I have more than this. How many vlogs did I get? Did I even get... oh yeah, I did. That was Snowtober? No, that was not Snowtober. That was a little bit before then. Day 98, yep. Snowtober was interesting. Drop the bass. Put that description though. All 2011 time lapses. Okay, that's weird. Oh, that was fun. Those, instead of daily vlogs or daily time lapses, that was actually a really fun idea. Even though like half of those were like the same fucking angle, just at different times of the day, which I've already done that like 8 years ago, but whatever. God damn, 2008 was 8 years ago. Shit, and then now. I think my potential is shit, but why not check up on that? So, hey guys, because of this fucking storm. Okay, that was random. Shut up. This fucking storm coming on this weekend, I'm leaving Friday instead of Sunday. Yes. So, leaving in about 36 hours, 10 a.m. on the 22nd. Yay. Oh, I gotta, figure out how to do the fucking time lapse of the drive there, because that's gonna be. I really want to do that because that's gonna be kind of fun. And the stuff that I said about yesterday's stuff. Shit, it's already 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, just about 36 hours till I leave. Try to get part 8 of the 5-hour mix. 5-hour mashup. Blah blah blah. Done. If I can have it done before my birthday, that'd be kind of cool. But I'm trying to get that done by February. But yeah. I have to do 2 parts a month. I'll be done by the whole thing by 2018. I'm assuming. Oh no, I think I fucked that up. 36 hours. There it is. March 2018. God damn, that's fucking 2 years from now. I started this shit 2 years ago. But anyway, leaving for school not tomorrow. Almost tomorrow. But in 2 hours it'll be tomorrow, but, this is gonna be fun. But, yeah. Oh, okay. So a few months ago, I think it was like September or October, I don't remember exactly when the date was. Fucking thing won't turn off. Fuck. Oh, there we go. I bought this thing just because it looks pretty cool, but, it could be useful. Yay. Probably shouldn't open this with one hand, but there we go. Yeah, rainbow. Yay. And I'm allowed to take it to school since it's like under 3 inches, I think. It's either 3 or 4 inches, but yay. I gotta sharpen it too. Fuck. Tomorrow I have work from 9 to 4:30. Ew. To be honest, well, obviously I really want to be outside for that, but, fuck knows. Probably on floors all day. But, who the fuck knows. It's my last day of work till, like, May. So, that's gonna be fun. I was gonna work Friday from 7 to 1, but because of that shit with the blizzard, yeah, I'm leaving for that. I'm not gonna be able to work that day. So, probably a short vlog today. I'm still trying to find the fucking clips for that. Here they are. Shit, which day was this? That was the 19th. Yeah, that was yesterday. Good. This was still technically yesterday. This is today.
Hey guys, this is no longer day 19.
Yep, that's day 20. Oh, that's the wait, shit. Oh, good, another 4 minutes on there. Good. So, yeah.